Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we have came to Brooklyn Bridge. No, not Brooklyn Bridge. We have came to Brooklyn, and this is the sexiest part. Bhai Ganesh Kund aa gaya like. Duck. The name of the lake is Duck's Bridge. Duck's Lake. So sorry. Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste India.
Namaste. Hi.
Oh, see turtle.
Oh.
Wow, you can take
Wow.
home.
No.
Wait.
Yeah. I had a small one before.
Go hold him.
No, they will come back. They will bite me.
Go swim with the dog. Go swim. You wanna swim here? Let's go around, see around, huh?
It is dark.
Yeah, I think so. You wanna eat
It's
that?
so
dog?
big.
Yeah.
It's so different. You know, in China they have that kind of small one.
Let me hold my camera. I will touch that dog.
Small duck. Don't scare them. No. See? Oh, they're not afraid. They're not afraid of you. Wow. Go to kiss them. They will kiss you. Oh, this light is so nice.
Well done, everything. Cut the camera. See the guys enjoying the view, the sun.
There are some people
Let's
having
go.
picnic.
Let's go. What up?
You look so sexy on this slide, Baba. Under this slide. Sexy. Oh. Do you have such place in Mumbai?
That guy, he's so looking dope. La 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 la. See that guy? He's looking so cool, smoking weed. That. Should I go and give her a kiss? Should I go?
Can do that. Let's go. Go ahead.
Let's go. Oh my god. Lesbians.
They just make that things here.
Wow. I saw that.
I hope my skin will not bite me here. I already.
It's okay, don't show me your legs. See this? Everything is legal in America. If you want to change your gender, I will request please come in America. Oh, see this sexy tree. What a beautiful tree! Oh my god. Oh,
Actually, when you guys.
we don't have this thing in India, huh?
You don't have this in India?
No, we don't have this thing in India.
Such big tree.
Such big tree.
Maybe already 100 years old. Or 200 years old.
200 years old. Maybe
Maybe
300 years old.
I have my friend.
We just have your trees and lake. I wanna hug that tree.
No.
wanna
I
hug
don't
you.
think you can hug it. It's so huge to us. No, you cannot do that. What are you doing? See, let me see your face. Show me your face. Show me your face. Kiss it. Ah, don't kiss me later. Okay, let's go that side. I think something they can like playground.
Oh wow. That's a huge lake, right?
Wow, see? See that back? This one. Ooh, did you see? Wow.
Oh, it's time for my baby to recharge herself. You know what happened? What the fuck happened? We just made a video and I didn't even start the record button. Anybody Chutia Padni?
Chutia. Chutia. Namaste, Chutia.
Okay.
Go here, go here.
Okay, let's go.
Here.
Mr.
Chutia.
Ah, yeah. You Chutia.
See?
Okay, let's go.
Chutia. Namaste, Chutia.
Yes, everyone is Chutia. कभी झगड़ा होगा हम लोग का तो हम लोग को पता ही नहीं भाई कौन किसको गाली दे रहा है सॉरी
Say something I can understand. Chutia.
ये चुतिया
Chutia.
ये
Chutia.
चुतिया
I will remember this word.
so I cannot say you chutiya anymore
No way, no. I know this.
Dama Dama
That man. I know this now.
Dama means no
You
she taught me
You cheated me. You cheated to me before. You said that means nothing.
it's a
That
good
means
word
good
it's a
word.
good
Yeah.
word yeah
And you let me say to everyone before, right, Julia?
yeah I will teach you many more words okay
Just teach me good word, please.
yeah I will teach you don't worry see they are doing so sexy they are just fishing and what
You only know that kind of stuff.
fishing they are just relaxing they are
So
just
peaceful
fishing.
here. I like here with all this. You know which one is the male, which one is the female? I know that.
Oh, how can
I know how to recognize that.
Wow, she has a dick. So, he's her boyfriend.
That one is guy. Boy. See, he's so handsome.
Yeah.
Because see, they have different shapes. See, there is something like this.
Wow.
That means he's a boy. He's a boy.
Oh wow. Such a beautiful dog. And such a beautiful weather, भाई साहब. इसी के लिए तो आया था मैं अमेरिका. यही चीज़ देखना था भाई, ऐसे क्लाउड्स. Nigga. I'm a nigga. See, they are planting trees. Isn't this beautiful part? These activities don't happen in Central Park, right? See? Yeah, let's go. Let's do some activity. See, one guy there. They are maybe cleaners. I wanna join them.
I think they are volunteers.
Oh yeah, maybe yeah. Let's go to some beautiful place.
I think they laughing at you. Do again. No. This is not exercise. This is.
I did the same thing what you was doing. Let's go.
Do again. I want to see more. One more time, Baba. Please. Please. Do again. Dancer, yeah, dancer. Wow. I think this road. Oh, see? We can go there. Someone there.
Who? What the fuck? Isn't this like India? This is like a Wagova beach. Oh, sorry, Wagova Ghat. See, such a beautiful place. Why she's mad at me now? One more Chinese. Hey, listen. Listen. What happened, huh? What happened? I will go for P2. I wanna go there. You wanna come?
It's so huge park.
It's similar to Central Park, right?
Yeah, maybe. But maybe smaller than that.
Anyways,
Wait.
guys, I want to show you the water tap of America for the public, right?
Public
Yeah,
park.
public water park. Oh, they are Indians.
Oh, really? Oh, wow, see? This stuff. Wow. Indians everywhere.
How do I look? So cool. See the tap.
This is for wash hand. This is for drink, I think. This one for drink. See?
See, I have a free goggle too here.
This-
For free.
This one for pee.
I will wash my face. What do you say?
Why?
Because I'm super tired.
Super tired.
Yeah, I've made so much big video. I have to bury your face for a long time. I have to see your face.
Okay, I will go then. Bye.
Wait.
No, I will go. Don't see my face anymore.
Wait.
Everyone see.
You know, after so many years, I feel like I am in India. Finally, some greenery everywhere. And here we go. And finally, guys, finally. इतना भागा वैन शो इसके लिए भाई छोटी सी झरना Yeah, I wanna go to take a shower. Come here. I wanna go there. साला भागो भागा चूना लगाया ना हम तो.
Wow, I love this place. Show me. No, that's so dangerous, I think. I wanna feel the water. Oh! Be careful! Oh my god, look what's up here. No! No! Come back! Bye! Come back! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Where he wanna go? Oh my god. I know what you wanna do. Okay, this is our last stop. We're gonna go back. Bye
Thank you
guys.
guys for watching, and please subscribe. Who has not subscribed? You just watch the channel and you just watch the videos. But I want you to subscribe, please, and thank you. And keep supporting Bharat Mata ki. Jai.
Teach me how to say bye in Hindi.
Alvida.
Again?
Alvida.
Al
Alvida.
Alvida.
Alvida Chutia.
Alvida.
Bye. Bye guys.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.